In this video, I'm going to compare Cash App and Coinbase to help you decide which platform is better for low-fee money transfers. Both apps are popular, but they work differently depending on whether you're sending regular money or cryptocurrency. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Let's start with Cash App. Cash App is mainly designed for simple peer-to-peer money transfers. Sending money from your Cash App balance or linked bank account is usually free, and standard bank withdrawals are also free. This makes Cash App a great option for quick everyday transfers between friends, family, or personal accounts. Cash App also supports Bitcoin, allowing you to buy, sell, and transfer crypto directly inside the app. However, Cash App mainly focuses on Bitcoin and may charge higher fees for crypto purchases and instant withdrawals compared to dedicated crypto exchanges. Now let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase is primarily a cryptocurrency platform and supports hundreds of different cryptocurrencies. It gives users more advanced crypto features, including trading, converting, and sending crypto internationally. For larger crypto transfers or advanced trading, Coinbase can sometimes offer lower fees, especially when using Coinbase Advanced. However, the app can feel more complicated for beginners compared to Cash App. If your goal is simple low-fee money transfers in US dollars, Cash App is usually easier and cheaper for everyday use. But if you regularly send cryptocurrency, trade crypto, or need access to many digital assets, Coinbase may be the better choice. So overall, Cash App is generally better for basic money transfers, while Coinbase is stronger for cryptocurrency transfers and advanced crypto features. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.